Wearing a mask has slowly becoming a part of our lives. But if you wear glasses, you know one of the most annoying things is that it keeps on fogging up. So today I'm going to show you 3 steps on how to keep these guys clear while wearing one of these. Let's have a look. Hey everyone, my name is Dr. Steve and I'm an optometrist. Today we're going to stop one of the biggest problems that we have when wearing a mask, and it's to stop this from happening. Okay, so my first tip is to try to lock the mask down and make it as tight as you can against your face. With the mask, try to use the color on the outside because the color is more water repellent. Now, the mask would also have a wire on top. What you want to do is you want to bend the wire so that it's very tight against your face. The next thing you can do is you want to be able to put the glasses on so that it's right next to the wire there. This pushes the lens, this pushes the mask closer to your face to stop that air from rising. Now, if this doesn't work, you can try step number 2. Tip number 2 requires a tissue and your mask. You want to fold the tissue so that it fills up the space of the mask, again blocking all the air that rises, stopping the condensation from happening on your lens. Now, if step number 2 doesn't work either, we can try tip number 3. For this, you'll need a bar of soap and a cloth. What you want to do is put a little bit of soap onto the front and the back surface of the lens and then use a cloth to polish it in. This causes a thin layer that protects the lens from condensation and it will stop you from fogging. We found that the bar of soap works a lot better than the liquid hand wash because the water tends to wash off all the soap. Try this at home and see how you go. So that's my 3 tips on how to keep your glasses clear from fog. If you're finding that any of them worked or they don't work, please write in the comments below. If you have any questions as well, let me know. I'll try to be as active in the comment section as much as possible. And as always, if you feel like you want to learn more about how to keep your eyes healthy and happy, press the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe everyone, and I'm out. Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Steve and I'm an optometrist. Today we're going to stop one of the biggest problems that we have when wearing a mask, and it's to stop this from happening. Oops. Of the lens with soapy water and try to wipe it off very lightly. The soapy water will form a layer on top of the lens that stops condensation from happening, and then there's no more fog. So be careful though when you're using this because oh man, it was going so good. So that's my 3 tips on how to keep your glasses clear while wearing a mask. If you find it valuable, please So that's my 3 tips on how to keep your glasses clear from fog. If you have any comments or if you have any questions, please write in the comment section below. I'll try to be as active as possible in answering all of your questions. And otherwise, please